to fix Instagram trial feature not showing on your Instagram Reels. So if you want to fix Instagram trial feature not showing on your Instagram Reels, then what you need to do is you need to just find your Instagram. After finding your Instagram, tap and hold on to that Instagram application and then go with app info. From your app info, you need to go with clear all data, which is on the bottom right, and then tap on clear data. Or if you have clear cache option, you need to go and clear your cache. After clearing your cache, your problem might be fixed. If that doesn't fix your problem, then the next solution is you need to go back and open up your Play Store. So go with your Play Store. From your Play Store, you need to go with search, and under search, you need to search for Instagram. After searching for Instagram, if you have any updates under your Instagram, you need to go and update it. And once you've updated, your problem might be fixed. If that still doesn't fix your problem, then the last thing you can do is just simply go and restart your device. Press and hold on to that power button and then restart, and after restarting, your problem might be fixed. So these were the solutions to fix Instagram trial feature not showing on your Instagram Reels. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.